Hi, my name is Rupika Malik, and I'm an educator here in Hayward. Initially, I began with chemistry, but now I'm also teaching farm to fork and biology classes and a little bit of CTE, human body system. So I see students eat food, students enjoy food, but I feel there's a small lack. Students see the food coming to their plate, but they do not see how the food came to their plate. It's hard for even adults like us to imagine the life of farmers. So I would definitely be happy if our students can shadow a farmer to see their hard life. So that's one part of agriculture science. But the other part of agriculture science, where technology comes into part, students love to use technology. So they are able to connect their phones using apps. When my students leave my class, I expect them to gain as many as skills as they can. And because I feel skills are really important for skills like teamwork, collaboration, I would say, in my opinion, agriculture is an investment. Agriculture is an investment for our future students in relation to multiple things. For example, climate, sustainability, and we all need to be well informed. Our students need to be well informed. Thank you.